Welcome to the Studs Track Part Replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor Mechanism Replacement. To open the visor mechanism, rotate the visor screw anti-clockwise and gently pull it out. Now pull out the visor from its mechanism. Repeat the process for the other side of the helmet. Open the visor screw and pull out the visor. Now to remove the visor mechanism, gently pull out the visor mechanism from its space as shown. To reinstall the visor, place the visor mechanism back in place. Place the visor on the mechanism. Check that it fits properly. Tighten the visor screw. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studs.com or get in touch with your nearest Studs dealership.